The opposition is out on the streets of Maharashtra protesting the collapse of the 35-foot tall statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Top leaders like the Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray, the NCP SP President Sharad Pawar and Congress State President Nana Patole are taking part in today's protest. While Uddhav Thackeray has appealed to all Shiv devotees to join the movement on behalf of the Mahavikas Aghadi, the Sena UBT MP Arvind Sawant has claimed that those leaders who support the statue collapse are disrespecting Maharashtra and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
जनता के भावना को ठेस पहुंची, इसलिए हम आंदोलन करना चाहते हैं। आंदोलन हमारा होगा, सरकार परमिशन दे नहीं दे, क्योंकि इसका प्रायश्चित सरकार को लेना चाहिए। इसलिए आज हमने सरकार को जोड़ो मारे आंदोलन हम शुरू कर रहे हैं। जनता में यही मैसेज जाएगा कि महाराज का पुतला गिरने के बाद भी बीजेपी आंदोलन करके आरोपियों को बचाना चाहती है। ये जो सरकार जो गलतियां है उसको छुपाना चाहती है, यही मैसेज है।
So today the protest has been organized by MB Alliance parties. The police have not given permission. BJP is doing a counter protest. How do you look at this?
What BJP can do? They want to politicize every subject. This is not the issue to be politicized. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is our identity. He's an icon. He's an ideal. An idol. You cannot just vandalize it the way you wanted to do it. And therefore, the Sena chief, Honorable Uddhavji Thackeray, has already expressed his agony about it. There is anguish among Maharashtra because this has never happened, that the statue of Shivaji Maharaj has fallen and shattered into pieces. And therefore, the heart is also broken. We are already angry about it. And therefore, we thought of it to pay homage to him, to pay tribute to the statue of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which is right in front of the Gate of India. And all the leaders of the Mahavikas Aghadi were to come over here. They'll pay tribute to this, and then they'll go to proceed over there. It was so peaceful. In fact, we wanted to do it peacefully, and therefore we thought that the permission, we sought permission, they did not give it. Forget about the permission. Did we get the independence by seeking the permission of the British government? They are worse than British government. They are the slaves of the present government. BJP, in fact, they are the slaves of the BJP. We can't now look at those barriers which they are. What you want to do? What exactly you want to do? Why you kept the barriers? This is Sunday. Let the people stand on road. There is no traffic. That shows that they are bent upon disturbing. We really want to do it peacefully and pay the homage to it.
Mahayuti, sir, we have seen earlier as well that Mahayuti leaders are not going in tandem is what we can understand. However, Ajit Pawar has not attended a RSS event in Nagpur. CM Shinde was present, DCM Devendra Fadnavis was present, but Ajit Pawar...
They believe in Hindutva. Yesterday they have taken these saffron flags which were hosted over here. They removed the flags also from there.
कोई राजनीति करने की बात नहीं है। ये जो घटना हुई है, ये अस्मिता जो सबको जिसको ठेस पहुंची है, सभी को, महाराष्ट्र के लोगों को, महाराष्ट्र के बाहर, देश भर से पूरी जिस तरह से भौतिक प्रतिक्रियाएं आ रही है, तो ये हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं तो इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक वे दिस गवर्नमेंट शुड अंडरस्टैंड। ये गवर्नमेंट की इतनी बड़ी भूल, जो दुर्भाग्य की बात हुई कि ऐसा कभी होना नहीं चाहिए कभी भी। और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जो पूरे महाराष्ट्र के, देश के, पूरी दुनिया के दैवत है, तो इनको इस तरह जो घटना घटी है उसके लिए हमारा ये आंदोलन है और ये आंदोलन हम करके रहेंगे।
Meanwhile, the BJP has launched a counter-protest against the Mahavikas Aghadi over the issue, with leaders of the Saffron Party also protesting in several parts of the state. Here's a ground report for more.
With the fall of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja's statue, the controversy and protests around it is never ending. Today, the state of Maharashtra will be witnessing two major protests. One by the Mahavikas Aghadi, that is opposition. Meanwhile, the other will be organized by the BJP. As you can see, we at moment are present at Dadar location, wherein heavy police deployment is seen. And is such deployment being done? It is because of this protest, which has been planned out by BJP, which will be planned not only in one location but multiple locations around now. location of Maharashtra, where the protest will be conducted by the BJP and its alliance. This stands in opposition of what the Mahavikas Aghadi claims are. It is considered to be an anti-protest which has been planned by BJP to counter the allegations, the charges, what is being labelled by the BJP. As you can see, Killa, a fort has been constructed resembling Shivaji Maharaj. The cultural folk song narrating Shivaji Maharaja's history is being planned out here, and Karyakartas, the party workers, are present here with various posters and banners directly targeting the Mahavikas Aghadi senior leadership, be it Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, or Nana Patole, or Aditya Thackeray. So this protest is not merely limited to just one location, but around 9 locations, wherein top leadership of Maharashtra BJP will be protesting against the narrative of Mahavikas Aghadi. Meanwhile, Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister and also the Home Minister of Maharashtra, has ruled out allegations of the Mahavikas Aghadi and has called it a politically motivated protest where Shivaji Maharaja's statue is being misused by the opposition, giving importance of the upcoming assembly elections. But what seems like the fueling protest which is on continuous rise even after PM Modi tenders his apology, it seems like the opposition will be using their hard punches, using this matter among the public of Maharashtra ahead of the assembly election.
ये जो आज आंदोलन हो रहा है पूरे तरीके से राजनीतिक आंदोलन है। इन्होंने महाविकास आघाड़ी हो, कांग्रेस पार्टी हो, कभी भी छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का उन्होंने सम्मान नहीं किया। नेहरू जी ने तो अपने डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया में छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का पूरा अपमान किया। क्या उसकी माफ़ी कांग्रेस पार्टी और महाविकास आघाड़ी मांगेगी? मध्य प्रदेश में कमलनाथ जी ने मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पर कांग्रेस ने छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का पुतला बुलडोजर से हटाया, तोड़ दिया। क्या उसकी माफ़ी कांग्रेस मांगेगी?
Now joining us live on the broadcast, we have my colleague Shrishti joining us from the ground to take us through what's taking place when it comes to the protests. Shrishti, tell us more about where you are, what the situation is like, and whether you've been able to speak to any of the protesters, and let us know about what their demands are.
Well, of course, right now we're present is at Gateway of India. Here, all the MVA top party leaders are present and they are giving out the speeches. Just now, Uddhav Thackeray has concluded his speech, and what he has mentioned is that the way Prime Minister Narendra Modi has apologized, that was arrogant apology, and we won't take the entire Maharashtra won't spare the Mahayuti government as well as BJP. He has also gone on to say that this government is not taking the entire matter seriously. They are criticizing this entire issue. We are not. He has also mentioned that this government should get out of India, and that's what were the statements of Uddhav Thackeray. Right now, where we are present is at Gateway of India, and that was the context of his statement which he has given, get out of India. However, Nana Patole, Sharad Pawar, everybody has given out their statements and mentioned the fact that Maharashtra won't tolerate the insult of the deity of the state of Maharashtra, this Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The way that statue collapsed in Sindhu was absolutely unfortunate, and that's why it has called for a massive in the state of Maharashtra. Now, BJP is also doing a counter-protest. They are saying that this particular alliance, that the alliance is doing politics over it. However, alliance, MBA, is saying that this is not politics, this is the matter of respect and pride of every Maharashtrian, that the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj collapsed, and that's something Maharashtra won't tolerate. We can see in the visuals that there are several protesters who are present over here. The Karyakartas of Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray's party, Congress, NCP, everyone is present over here. They are mentioning the same thing, that they won't be tolerating the insult of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. They have several placards in their hand. Important, all three party leaders, important party leaders, Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, Nana Patole, had done a march from Hutatma Chowk to Gateway of India. Hutatma Chowk is also an important place wherein there was a Sayukta Maharashtra movement in 1961, and that marks an important event for the entire state of Maharashtra, and that's why from there they have decided to march towards Gateway of India to make a statement and give out this message that disrespect of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj won't be tolerated. We'll talk to few people. Sir, क्या कहेंगे? आज काफी बड़ा protest हो रहा है. Several leaders are coming out from that particular spot. We'll try and talk to few protesters also over here. मैम, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? काफी बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट हुआ आज हुतात्मा चौक से यहाँ तक गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया तक, काफी बड़ा सा प्रोटेस्ट था. क्या एक्झॅक्टली आपकी डिमांड्स आहे?
डिमांड्स आमची साधीच आहेत की ज्या हिशेबाने आतापर्यंत जे सबसे अभी तक अभी पुतले का जो हुई है, अभी जिस हिसाब से शिवाजी महाराज पुतले की घटना हुई है वो घटना वापस रिपीट नहीं होनी चाहिए. ये क्यों नहीं होती? अगर वहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट बराबर होता, अगर वहाँ पे टेस्टिंग बराबर की जाती, अगर वहाँ का ऑडिट किया होता, अगर ये सरकार यहाँ का पूरा क्रेडिट ये लेती, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेती, जो किया है वो उनके रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की वजह से हुआ है, तो आज इतनी जनता नीचे नहीं उतर. शिवाजी महाराज हैज बीन द लीडर एंड आइडियल लीडर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. We cannot play with such leaders, and we have full faith and we have our sentiments with that leader. We look up to that leader. You cannot do this with our leaders. This is what I'm trying to tell you.
Well, of course, these are the sentiments of the people who are ground. What they are is that one cannot disrespect Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Importantly, there was a written by PWD Department to Navy. There it was mentioned that the maintenance and repair work has been done in June. However, the nut bolts of the statue are rusted. So maintenance and repair should be done as soon as possible. And that statue was also not looking the way it should look. That was also mentioned in that particular letter. However, that letter was not paid heed to, and that's why such unfortunate incident unfolded, wherein the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj collapsed, and that has caused a massive stir in the state of Maharashtra. Specifically in Mumbai is what we can witness is a massive protest from MVA. MVA is strongly giving out this message ahead of elections that we are united. Whatever the situation is, we will stand strong against the state government, the Mahayuti government, whatever the propaganda or whatever the lines they are giving out that this is just a political event which is doing. We will stand against it, and we will be standing still for maintaining the dignity of our Maharaj, that is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Back to you.
All right, Shri, thank you so much for joining us, getting us such a comprehensive ground report on what's taking place when it comes to protest versus protest, specifically from the MVA side, of course. Continue to track the developments of what's taking place on the ground. Right now, though, we'll be shifting